Hello, so I'm back baking again. So today I'm making scones. So this one in this mixture at the moment is for cheese scones, and in the oven at the moment I've got ginger and chocolate scones. So in here I've got 500 grams of a mix of strong white flour, that's about 450 grams, and the rest of it is just ordinary plain. In there also, because I use plain flour, there's also 7 flat teaspoons of baking powder. There's also 60 grams of butter and mustard, thyme, salt and black pepper. And then into this mix I'm going to add grated cheddar cheese. Oh, there's my oven beeper, just a minute. That was handy. So these are the ginger and chocolate scones that I've just baked. So I'm going to put those on a baking tray in a minute because I'll need this tin to put the cheese scones in. I'm just going to stop it there while I do that and I'll come back in a sec.